Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Bat is very similar to a rat. So what are some things that bats have that rats do not have? So whenever you're a little unsure of what it is, it's always good to just look on the internet. So here's a bat, and you can see he has more pointed ears. So maybe, what shape can we use for this instead?
You can use triangles for the bat's ears.
Yep. That's a good one. Okay, here's another bat. Okay, so let's practice drawing bats. So bats are almost just like rats. So for the body, we always draw the body first. This is the big shape. What shape will we draw for the body?
Yeah, you could use an oval.
Yes, good job. All right, so let's draw the oval, guys. Okay, and then look at the size of the head. Is it big, small, medium?
The head is like small.
Yeah, so it's kind of small like this, yeah. So we can draw another circle there. Okay, wow, those wings are pretty big, huh? So what shape should we use for the wings? So for the wings, I like to draw the top first, and then you can make that bottom triangle. And then at the end, you can just add the curves. Okay? And then the bat also has triangle ears. And it actually does have a muzzle. It's small. It has two eyes. Then you can draw the middle part. And you can draw the feet. Okay, let's practice drawing another bat. So let's draw the circle for the body, oval for the body, circle for the head, triangles for the wings, triangles for the ears, little muzzle here, two dots for the eyes. You can put a smiley face. So you could make a story about it. A mouse or a rat who dreams about flying, and you can combine some of these shapes. And you can make your story about that.
Now if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.